Hey, big boy. Straighten that out, Marin, so he'll come this way. Oh.
He can get up on his own.
Can he?
Real well. Yeah.
Come on, buddy.
Get up there.
You can do it.
Get up there.
Oh, he is
No,
so
you
excited.
get up there.
He is
There
so
you go.
excited.
That's right. That's right.
Alright, here. Straighten it for you right there. Right there. Oh, he knows what he's doing. He is excited. Yeah. What'd you think about that? Yeah.
It reminds me of when
You
Austin
biggin'?
was doing it. I'd have to turn it around for
Yeah.
him.
You biggin'.
You'd
You a
race
biggin'.
to the other side of the room. You have to turn it around for him.
You a biggin'. Hetty. Oh.